Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can download and run screen copy software without any error. And using this software you can mirror your Android mobile, and not just mirror, you can even control it with your keyboard and mouse pad, which is built in your laptop. So let's begin. Open your favorite browser and type screen copy. Okay, all you have to do is to open this first link from Jenny Mobile. I will provide you a link in my description, so just open it. Scroll down and here, get this app. You have to scroll down till here and just click on Linux. Okay, first of all, this video is only for Ubuntu or Debian-based Linux distros. And if you are using any other Linux distro, you can read these instructions to install according to your package manager and according to your Linux distro. For Debian or Ubuntu-based distros, you just have to click on here and it will start downloading. Once the download is complete, so just minimize your browser, open file manager, go to downloads, right click in the empty space and open with terminal. Now type sh256 and hit tab button from your keyboard so it will autocomplete, and type scr and again hit tab button so it will autocomplete it. Here we go. Now for the new users, it seems like what I'm doing, so this is just to check if it's official software from the developers or it's some kind of virus. So just copy this and open library calculator. Paste it here. And now you have to copy this text, copy it and paste it in the library calc on the number 2. Okay. Now we will write is equal to capital A1 is equal to capital A2. Yeah, it's true. So there's no issue with the software. We can download it. We can install it. I will minimize my terminal. Just extract it. Once is extracted, here is some files you will see. Now what I will do is to, because I want to use it permanently, so I will just copy from here. We'll go to home folder and we'll paste it here. Now our laptop work is almost finished, so let's go to our mobile screen. In your mobile, you just have to go to settings, about phone, version, and version number or build number. Tap until it asks you about your mobile screen password. Enter your screen password and you will see you are now a developer. Go back. In my case, I'm using Oppo phone, so the developer options are here in the system update. Go to developer options and enable this option called USB debugging. I will enable it. Just click OK. Now all you have to do is to connect your mobile using data cable with your laptop or PC. When you will plug it, you will see these two options. First is charging with this device, charging this device via USB, and the second is USB debugging enabled. You just have to click the charging device, this device via USB, and choose file transfer or Android Auto. Let's get back to our work with this section on laptop. Open the folder we copied in home section. By the way, you can delete these two folders from download. And double click on this icon. As you can see, my mobile is working. Sorry, I opened two. So my mobile is working perfectly here. And I can even full screen it. I can even use browser or anything. So it's that easy. So if you want to use it from terminal, so all you have to do is to type this command and set a path to your screen copy folder. Here is the command. I will provide you this command in description, so you can just copy it and paste in your terminal, but just make sure you change your username here. And also if you change the folder name, like if you just rename the folder if you want so, or just keep it like this, so just match the version you are using, hit enter, and now you have to type command. Now just for making sure, just type scrcpy h tab minus variant. So here we go. We got this uh we got these details, like we just successfully set our path to our system. So if I will type scrcpy, sorry, if I will type again, so here we go. I can use my mobile, and even if you want to play games, I can play game. By the way, in my case, I'm using Pop OS 24. So if you are using Linux Mint or any other Ubuntu or Debian based, or Ubuntu or Debian itself, and you're facing any issues, you can comment below. So I will try my best to give you a solution for your problem and error. I hope you will like this video. Subscribe this YouTube channel for more Linux tech and coding related videos. See you soon. Bye bye.